Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am featuring another quick and easy card. I'm going to be making a happy birthday card, and this one is featuring one of the sets that are going to be available on Sale-a-bration, that is called Party Pandas. And I mean, I love pandas, so this is by far one of my favorite sets. I'm so excited that they're going to be available on during the Sale-a-bration time. And if you don't know what is Sale-a-bration, for every $50 that you spend on stamping the products, you get one set for free out of the Sale-a-bration catalog. And so anyway, I put more information on my blog at creatingwithali.com. But today we're going to be using this little guy as well as the happy birthday. I don't think I have taken the happy birthday, so give me a second so I can put it also. I can also mount it on one of my blocks. And again, this is going to be available in January. So anyhow, so here I have these pieces. I have let me just go over measurements real quick. I have a piece of Whisper White that is 5.5 by 8.5. Then I have a piece of Lemon Lime Twist, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. I have then a piece of Basic Black, and this one is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And this one is 4 by 2.5. And I already die cut, not die cut, sorry. I already punched out a balloon out of the brand new glimmer paper. And if you don't know yet, Stampin' Up! Has come up with this pack of 6x6, and it has this color, which is more iridescent. It's a little bit different than the glimmer paper that we have, the white glimmer paper. And then look at this. I mean, it just looks gorgeous, don't you think? And then of course I have the Lemon Lime Twist. So I'm in love with this pack. I know I'm going to be stocking up on this one. This is going to be also available on the 2018 Occasions mini catalog. So by far they have outdone themselves again. I love everything on that. So I have already punched out my balloon using the balloon stamp set. I'm sorry, punch. And so I have already die cut one. Not die cut, punch it out. Sorry, I keep saying die cut, but it's not. So you can see there's a lot of glimmer everywhere. I'm gonna be using archival ink, and I'm using the Basic Black. And I just want to make sure I am covering my little panda. And on larger images, I usually try to go this way so I can tell, rather than, you know, that way. That way I can have more control of where the ink is. So now that I have everything, I'm going to be lining it up here. And I'm not going to rock it as usual. I'm just going to press firmly. All right, and here it is. So that is my little panda. Then I'm going to be taking the happy birthday, and I'm going to be putting it here. And you can tell there is a little bit of like in this area. You see that? It seems like I was missing, or there was some sort of fiber. When that happens, you can use one of your markers and go over it. I'm just gonna go here just to cover those things, and it should be fine. So now I'm gonna be putting my fast fuse. Just give me a second here. I have a mess. And this is one of the cards that I'm making for a swap. Believe it or not, I'm going to be making 80 cards this time. So once I get them, I'll be sharing them with you during the Facebook Live. And so check that out so you can see all the cards. Again, I'm going to be getting 80 of them. So I'm excited to see what the other demonstrators are doing with this. And see that? The balloon is larger than what it is, but I want to cover it like so with this one. Okay. And I'm going to be using, let's just use one dimensional. How about that? So I'm going to be putting it like so. And now that I have that, I'm going to be using, where is my twine? Yeah, here. So I'm going to be using this basic black twine, solid twine, sorry, I should say. And I'm going to be making a bow. Huh. This doesn't want to cooperate with me today, but okay. Let's just, there we go. I love it. And then I'm going to be cutting it. Where are my scissors? Here are my scissors. Alright. And now I'm going to be gluing this one with one mini dot. Here we go. So, oh, I got another one here. Just give me a second here. And I'm going to be gluing this here. How about that, huh? And so it has a little bow on its balloon. And so now I'm going to be gluing everything. So let's just fold this one in half as usual. Where's my bone folder? Here it is. Alright. I'm going to be gluing down these. And again, I cannot wait, you know, to see what the 80 cards are going to look like. I have 20 cards coming featuring Sale-a-bration items, and then I have 60 featuring items from the you know what, I'm not going to pop it up since I already popped up the balloon. It has already too much dimension, so I'm just going to leave it like so. And this one is going to go like this. And again, you can tell it's really simple and easy. You know what I'm going to be doing too? It seems like this little panda needs a little bit something. And so I'm going to be using the Blushing Bride. And I'm going to be giving him a little bit of rose cheeks, you know? So I'm just taking a little bit, and it's just a little bit. Oh yes, that makes, oh, I love it. So here it is. I like it even better. So that's the card. And I feel like this one is very cheerful. So I hope you like it. It's very simple, really quick and easy. You can make a lot of these for the birthdays coming up. And so I really love those pandas. So anyway, if you like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to post regularly there. Also, all the information about the supplies for these are going to be on my blog at creatingwithali.com, and also in the description of this video you will see all the different links to get any of the items. Now for the pandas though, you do have to purchase $50 of merchandise so you can get this stamp set for free. So it's a great promotion because again, you get free stamp sets when you purchase items. So let me know if you have any questions. And also do subscribe to my email. I send 5 tutorials for these cards. And so if you're interested in those, go ahead and subscribe to my email list. And I also put information on the description of this on this blog. And whenever you go to my blog, there is also a link to subscribe to my email. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.